We're back. This time I'm in a place called Rishikesh. It's up in the northeast of India. It's world renowned for its yoga schools and meditation. It's also there's also a lot of extreme sports that go on here, i.e. like white water rafting, rock climbing, lots of adventure sports that happen. It's a very spiritual place. But today, what we're going to do, we're going to go on a little adventure, and I'm going to show you something first, just outside my hotel room. So let's open this door. So, just on my balcony, there's a view. That, guys, is what they call the Himalayan foothills. Way beyond the foothills in the north is China, and also Nepal to the west. Fantastic view. It goes all the way around. I'm not sure, I don't want to drop my camera. There you go, guys. That is the view from my terrace in the hotel. Okay, so as I was just saying, what we're going to do today, we're going to go on a little adventure. We're going to go up into them foothills, and we're going to try and find what they call the secret waterfall. Let's go. Okay, we're on our way. To get up to the foothills, you've actually got to walk around this little windy road all the way up. It just keeps going up and up. It's a little bit windy here, very noisy. Always noisy in India. Just behind me there was a little bit of an altercation between a man and a woman with their dogs, and one of the dogs, well, sort of went to attack one of the guys. It all worked out okay, but then just to show you, this is the way up, and we carry on. See you in a moment. As you can see, all the yoga courses, self-love retreats, workshops. There's so many of them here in Rishikesh. There's a pool table. This place is called the Rock Retreat. Sounds good. Rishikesh is actually an alcohol-free place, basically. So not great for me, but still time to unwind sometimes. Over a little waterfall. Well, not a waterfall, it's like the river. So that river there, it goes down to the Ganges. The River Ganges. That is pretty much pure water coming from up on the foothills there. Let me say so. You're never too far away from the good old mopeds in India. Right, we'll carry on. I think it's up there. Well, I hope so. As you can see behind me, here in Rishikesh, it's extremely very green. They get a lot of rain here, obviously, especially in the monsoon time. It's very difficult to travel here. It's sort of closed down on monsoon time. The roads are flooded, the bridges are all closed. That was only roughly about a month ago. So I'm pretty lucky to be here. It is an amazing place. And I'll just show you some of the greenery. You've got you can hear the crickets in the background. I don't know if you can hear them through the video. There's plenty of noise. Sounds exactly like a rainforest. And as I'm walking up here, I've just been given a flyer. The Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training Center. Certified 50 hours. Active meditations, awakening techniques, and Sidhu mantras. Wow. Fantastic. Right, let's carry on. Up in the old Himalayan foothills, here in Rishikesh, they also have camping sites. And I've just noticed a camping site. I've got to shout, sorry, because it's so noisy from the river. I've just noticed a camping site. I'm just going to show you. And there's a little crossing. But to get to the other side, well, I'll show you anyway. Let's have a look. It looks exciting. So there is one of the camping sites, the Alpine 18 camping site. Planet Camping. Facilities, swimming pool, alpine tents, cafe, activities, river rafting, bonfire, trekking and hiking. Wow. Okay. And this, guys, well, this is the crossing to get over there. I suppose if you're an outdoor camper, you don't mind a bit of adventure like this. So we give it a go, just for fun. Come on. The good old sketches are doing me proud. Oh my God, it's freezing. And I'm soaked. Wow. Okay. We're in. I don't want to slip. It'd be like going down the super slides at the swimming pool, but a little bit more rocky. Okay. Cool. Made it. Anyone about? My feet are absolutely soaked. Never mind, it's all good fun. Now I've got to get back. Of all the places in the whole world, guess what? I've just bumped into an old friend of mine. Here, right in the middle of the Rishikesh mountains. Pat. Hi Pat. How are we doing? Having a rest? Good for you. Just a little rest. What I was going to say is walking up these foothills in the Himalayas here in Rishikesh is what I've noticed the most, obviously the natural beauty. It is stunning. It's a stunning place. But the thing I've really noticed is the quietness. The last 2 weeks I've been on trains, buses, different cities, you know, packed full of people, not even 1 centimetre that's free. Here, all you can really hear of the sound of the crickets, of the birds and the river. It really is a peaceful, peaceful place. No wonder people come to Rishikesh to sort of, well, chill out and relax. Fantastic. I can hear some drums in the distance, up ahead somewhere. Hopefully they're not for me. Hopefully it's not a trap. Hopefully I'm not going to be put in a cauldron and I'm tonight's dinner. Can you hear them? So just before I thought hope was all lost of ever finding the secret waterfall and maybe being dragged into the forest by a tiger, I finally found it, guys. Here we are, the secret waterfall of Rishikesh. Okay, it's not the biggest waterfall I've ever seen or ever been to, but it still is extremely tranquil. Right, I'm going to try and get over to this side. Let's see how we can get over there. Through the water, up the rocks. Okay, get in there. Oh, right. Aha. And there is the flow coming down from the top of the Himalayas. It's so clear. The water is so clear. I don't know if you can see that on the video. And there's a part there, looks like steps. I'm going to take off my shorts. I've got other shorts underneath. No one wants to see that. And I'm going to jump in. I'm going to take my top off and I'm going to cleanse my sins. Okay, guys, I'm in. It's not even cold. It's absolutely lovely. I've got to be careful with the camera, but it's beautiful. Look at this water. So crystal clear, not cold at all. Okay, I have had a little dip. You can see I've gone a little bit spiritual here in Old Rishikesh. I bought a necklace yesterday. I like it, it's cool. Yeah, so absolutely fantastic. I've already gone down. As I say, I've got to be careful of the camera. But I'm going to go over to the waterfall in a second and have a shower. See you in a moment. Okay, now we're going to try for the waterfall. Everybody's laughing at me for probably a lot of reasons, but probably the main reason they're laughing at me is because I've still got my shoes on. Look. I'm the only person that has got their shoes on. That's because of anybody that knows me well, my feet are like little baby's feet. They're so soft. And there's no way am I going where them rocks are to cut them to shredded pieces. No way. But let's make our way in with my shoes on. Okay. In we go. Magnificent. That is exactly where I'm heading. Okay. But I can't go in there with the camera. And there is the secret waterfall of Rishikesh. Well, that's it, guys, from me, from the Rishikesh secret waterfall. It's been amazing. It's been a fantastic journey up here. So many things to see on the way. Yes, it's not the biggest waterfall, but it is absolutely amazing, and it's beautiful water. I'm soaking wet. I've got to somehow get all the way back down. in this heat, I'll dry pretty quickly. From Rishikesh, Secret Waterfall. See you next time.